Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to take a screenshot in your Huawei Mate 10 Lite device. So let's take a look how to do that. You can take two-way screenshot in your Huawei Mate 10 Lite device. You can use physical button or you can use software to take a screenshot. So first let me show you how you can take a screenshot with physical button. For that, anywhere you would like to take a screenshot, just go over there and then in your keypad press the power button and the volume down rocker button. Long press and it will take a screenshot. Any place you would like to take a screenshot, just press the power button and down volume rocker button. It will take a screenshot. Also, there is another way to take a screenshot in a Huawei Mate 10 Lite device. From that, you will go on this quick launch area, and then whenever you here, maybe the screenshot is not appear by default. For that, if you want to bring quick launch area your screenshot, just click this pen icon and then you will find here drag to add tiles. So I'm going to add this screenshot. You will find screenshot, just simply hold it and bring it over there and then go on back. And now if you would like to take a screenshot any places, just that place quick launch area, just simply click here, sweep down and then you will find here a screenshot. Simply click this screenshot and it will take a screenshot. So this is how you can take a screenshot in your Huawei Mate 10 Lite device. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.